Ang ano ko nga po dyan yung certification niya. Ngayon yung
Wala naman itong
regarding
kinalaman sa certification. Dinala ba sa husgado o hindi?
Hindi ko
Yes
po
or
alam.
no?
Hindi
Hindi mo alam? Kasama ka the whole time hanggang sa Hague.
Ang tinatanong dito, competent judicial authority. Korte. Korte ang ibig sabihin nito. So alam mo ba na dinala sa korte o hindi? RTC Pasay or RTC Paranaque?
Hindi ko po alam.
Hindi mo alam? Hindi mo alam?
Ano kasi yung
Magkasama
tinatanong
kayo,
Hindi, nandun ka, di ba? Sabi mo, ikaw nag-converse eh.
ang ano ko nga po dyan yung certification niya. Ngayon yung
Wala naman itong kinalaman sa certification. Dinala ba sa husgado o hindi?
Hindi ko
Yes
po
or
alam.
no? Hindi mo alam? Kasama ka the whole time hanggang sa Hague.
Nandun ka sa...
Oy, magsabi ka ng
Opo,
totoo.
opo.
We're all under oath here.
Yes, ma'am.
So alam mo kung dinala
Alam
siya
mo,
o hindi?
hindi mo alam.
Hindi ko po alam kasi hindi
Parang
naman ho
hindi
ako
mo alam, binantayan mo mula nung dumating mula sa Hong Kong, sa airport, dinala sa Villamor, dinala sa The Hague, kasama ko all throughout.
Opo.
Pag sinabi mong hindi mo alam, you are lying. You are lying. And nandun ka all the time eh. Hindi mo alam na dinala siya sa korte? Hindi mo alam?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Senator.
May I clarify?
I think we should ask Attorney Delgra, what do you think of the answer given that he was not aware of any information regarding the competent National Judicial Authority that he signed on to? Pwede bang mangyari yon, Attorney Delgra?
I join the observation of Senator Bato that the Ambassador Locanelo is lying. Kasi all he needs to know is whether the former president was brought out of Villamor and brought to a local court. We don't have to skirt and hide behind a DOJ certification to attest to the fact as to whether he was brought to a local court or not. He was there all throughout as he has in fact admitted. So all he has to do is, hindi po inilabas yung former president to be brought to a local court. I think that would have been sufficient for him to say. But he keeps on saying that he does not know.